Biati. Isi coconut. Biati. Bosom mele. Biati. If a melody can. Biati. Isi coconut. Biati. Bosom mele. Biati. See ya.
Caught in the action. I have caught all of you. Bring out all that.
Bring out what?
I saw you. I see you my two kuro eye. Now this thing, 9 DPO send you to Kondu. Okuya? Obiago.
I do not understand what you're blabbing.
Oh, you are speaking long grammar. You. Now you, I know say now you carry up for head. You dey collect money from Keke. What Keke man do for you?
Me? What money?
Okay.
This is allegation on an officer of the law.
Hey! You are asking in Ajum. Are you asking me, Obiago? You too.
I don't say the money.
Listen, Beatrice. If it's about this tricycle that just passed,
it's about it.
I was actually asking him for his past receipt.
Hey!
For where?
Osia, Obiago. Hey!
Yes.
Linus. In short, your original name is supposed to be Obiago Linus Lion, a surname. Hey! Bullet. I see you still have some more bullets. Bring it.
What is wrong about asking for past receipt?
Hey, well, you say they blow. No, they blow. They come. And they hear you.
Okay, fine. I was asking him for his fire extinguisher.
Yes,
in his car.
Hey!
Yes.
Hey! Obiago. Oh, you think I am Mugu? It's an ambu Mugu up here? You think I don't know that thing that GPO say they do show. That every car we start must have
fine, enough.
Now you say that Keke have it.
Enough.
Another one.
Okay.
Enough. Right now, it was actually his seatbelt. You couldn't imagine he was passing here without seatbelt.
Without seatbelt.
Oh shit.
Isn't it?
Not true now.
Onye nyuri henkanesh. Obiago. Hey! I suppose dance better dance for you for this lie where you just blow. Hey!
What's wrong with you?
See the girl, that one where they drag, where DPO say they drag, come put under here. See na driver must wear am, if not, me will stop am. Now you they tell me Keke they use. What? You see say I be Mugu? Oh, Obiago. Bring another one.
Listen, take it that way. It's what it is. It's what it is.
I know say you go deny am. Obiago. Now today I observe you. Today I know say you sabi this lie here. It dey your body na follow come.
You're getting me angered right now.
That one na your problem. If you lie, speak grammar from here reach anywhere. You see this phone? I know say you go lie. I know that's why I did there record you, snap you. You no know. See am. I did there they look the picture you because I know say if I come you go change that.
What did you do?
She's under control.
Who be this?
What?
No be you. Gringo, you even dey inside the shower. You dey here. You play self inside the. If you come near me, I go blow you. The blow what I go give you. My share digi can get. What happened?
Calm down. Don't do it. Beatrice, you don't do.
Calm down now.
The Chinese my mama.
Show me we negotiate.
They don't go to try me. Hey! Chapa,
What you want? Come to negotiate.
Obiago, wetin you talk? Talk am again. Make we.
I said we could negotiate.
Hey! Wait, can Ajum? Hey! Obiago, so is a bit Gringo. This guy dey here, they deceive us, they speak big grammar. So you sabi speak.
No vex.
Leave that one.
Gringo.
You na police officer, me na police officer. We be Nigerian now.
Hey! Snap one girl. See Obiago. So this anyway. I don't tell you wetin I want. I want to do this place.
What did you just say?
I will do this checkpoint. No, here.
Beatrice, you know it is not possible. This is impossible.
It's impossible.
What if the DPO passes here and sees you?
This school where I no go. See, make I just tell you. I no care. DPO the office, DPO no go ever come this place. Now you. Obiago, now you bad belly person. Now they go carry my information. Go there informate. For office, they tell DPO say me fight with that woman. Now you.
Beatrice, you know you are supposed to be serving the public now. By now you should be serving the public.
Yeah, na public. Obiago, you see, after I say you go school, if Here no be community, no be the service I dey do like this. Even as I catch una here na community service. Because this is way they do is illegal. I go there every of these streets I don't sweep and finish clean am everywhere in a community. I say my waka through come greet my I do bad thing.
You do well.
As I waka come now I don't see wetin my eye no supposed see but my eye supposed see.
Beatrice, you are on probation.
Hey, can I show you? You still dey speak English. This phone, in short, I go send them go.
Beatrice!
I go first send the message for WhatsApp for DPO before I reach the office.
Beatrice, it has not gotten to that place.
No, you don't get though.
Listen, Beatrice. Good morning. Beatrice, see listen.
Okay.
Anything you want, I'm going to give to you.
Come now,
but please don't let this thing go to get to the
Please come now.
Wait,
Beatrice!
I dey come.
Beatrice! This girl taste this food. That is very deep trouble.
Are you serious?
Very big pot of soup.
So what can we do now? By that, as a matter, we will talk them later. It's just one police officer. We like to do it like you. We'll talk the matter later. Hello.
Hello.
You okay?
Mama Imaka, tattoo boy. Hey, this tattoo.
What's up? You okay?
Yes.
Wow.
I like.
You like it?
Hey, I like it.
Wow,
I like,
that's amazing. That's amazing. Good to see you. You're beautiful too, you know.
Hey, I'm beautiful.
Yes, you're amazingly beautiful. You're so beautiful.
What's up? I'm beautiful. What's up, Duane? What's up? I'm beautiful. I can do.
You can do that too?
Yeah, I can.
That's amazing. Oh my God, this is incredible. What? You can do that too? Wow, this is so beautiful. God damn it. Oh my God.
Young man, where is Beatrice?
I don't know, sir. She should be clearing the garbage like you instructed.
How dare you lie to me? Somebody called me that Beatrice is here. Where is she?
She didn't come here. We didn't see her.
We didn't see her, sir. I am not lying to you. Sir, she's not here, sir.
Yes.
You know, Beatrice is a very stubborn girl.
She didn't come here.
If she eventually comes here, I will send her away.
Yes.
Obiago,
sir.
if you dare lie to me, you will face the consequences.
So I'm not lying to you.
Can't lie for you, sir.
By the way, why are you not on your face mask?
Sir, I'm having catarrh.
You are having catarrh.
I'm having cough, sir. Cough.
You are having cough. You are very stupid.
Sorry, sir.
Don't you know that best thing to do is to be on your face mask?
Sorry, sir.
Because you will come and throw catarrh out on people. What is wrong with you people?
I'm sorry, sir.
And you call yourself police officers?
Sorry, sir.
Stupid.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Go and get your mask.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Biati, 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 biati,
Biati.
Isi coconut,
Is it time?
biati, 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 biati. Ife melody, biati, biati, Isi
I don't know. Every time this case, do I?
See officer, biati,
What happened? What happened again?
Wetin happen
What
like?
did they do here?
I no understand.
Beatrice, I swear, if Oga fires us, I will make sure I will.
Hold on for there. Who you dey swear for?
Now, wow.
See your life, what the ever. Any small now, I go do you like this. Clean my nyash. If you want now, go rush, go meet deep. Now because of you, I just dodge you. I dey mercy for you. See, make I just tell you, I hold you for sukrutu.
Sukru what? Sukru. What meaning of sukru?
Beatrice, it is not sukrutu. It is scrotum.
Skrutum.
Don't understand this one.
Tum dey inside. Na inside that tum na you dey.
Sukru.
I don't tell you. Wetin that man talk?
Don't
Because
understand.
he dey like wetin
Let me make
talk.
it loud and clear. Open your ear.
Very well.
Very well.
Very well.
He said that if he sees you here
Yes.
in this checkpoint,
Wetin go happen?
he is going to fire
Put on
two
force.
of us.
Yes.
Are you listening?
Yes.
So it is better you keep it down.
See, you see that DPO, you don't done too much. You don't done too much. Because if me, Beati sit down and write for him, you see this in work. Every time I go, they form waiting and don't know. Waiting him be. They do like say na him be AIG. Even commissioner get mouth pass him. You know if he sack you, you know if he try am.
Beatrice,
And me, they talk.
fine, whether he can sack us or not, there's no problem. But Beatrice, how could you just see a man for the first time and you fall in love?
Hey, and now you talk topic now. Hey, my guy.
That guy,
Cartoon boy.
we dey like this thing.
Hey, that boy, Obola and on a side. The boy. Hey, he's a curie.
Who dey side?
Very cute, fine boy.
That boy.
I'm in love with him.
Beatrice,
I'm in love.
Is it?
Beatrice, it is not
Yes.
on love. It is
In
love.
Yes, in love.
Ewo, gringo. Even you.
I'm a big boy.
You went up past passing 6. Now they tell me English where I go.
I'm a big boy now.
Italian.
I'm a big boy.
I shut up. If people they see, make I just tell you that boy. You know see wetin he draw for hand. In body he write cartoon. He see he get one side. He never even write anybody. He write one person and me Biati go write for that other side.
Kagene. Huh?
Nah, I'm on love.
Is that?
Daydreamer. Beatrice, but how can you just see somebody for the first time? You run after him. You fall in love. See him for the first time, you just fell in love. Oh my God, you're so disgusting.
Wow.
Nah, beg, no they bring that kind of big English for here. Waiting be that one. So as you look me like this, I never reach you to marry. As you say you carry bad belly meeting for
so?
see this checkpoint get mission, and I don't see am for dream. This place where I dey no be only armed robber and criminal they find. See me, if I see better man, I don't go. Itiama janagari o biago.
And so, is that a yardstick for you to sleep with every man you see on the street?
So
Repugnant.
now walk the scars. Where below that fine boy, that guy is
Enough of a fine boy
fine
and the fine girls.
that curie. Is for that curie.
So I will be like,
I must
Start going before the
go.
No problem. If I have to get do my job,
Jackie Chan,
one thing back. If you don't touch me again.
get rich, close your mouth. Simple instruction, need Jabba simple destruction. About what is enough. About what is enough.